We love our cat, but we don't love to clean his litter box. So for the last few years, we have been using an automatic litter robot from Whisker. And as much as we love our litter robot, we are aware that it is most definitely a luxury item and something that we don't want to take for granted. Luckily, Whisker actually has a new version out of their litter robot, which might be a better entry-level price point for more people to be able to afford the comfort of not having to manually clean your cat's litter box every day. This is the Litter-Robot EVO, and it's the most streamlined way to never have to scoop again, and it even looks nice and modern to fit into your home. This video is sponsored by Whisker, and they sent us the EVO for review, but all thoughts are our own. We have genuinely been using their Litter-Robot 4 for years now. Let's get into what the new EVO version has to offer. So what makes the EVO different from the Litter-Robot 4? Well, first and foremost, the price. As I mentioned before, this version is meant to be a more budget-friendly option and goes for around $599 instead of $699. I am well aware that $600 for a non-essential item is still indeed a luxury, but I believe that it is worth it, especially if you can find it on sale. We have been using one for years, and I honestly don't think I'd ever want to go back to manually scooping the cat litter box, unless absolutely necessary. It's just one of those things that you don't think you need until you get it, and then you can't live without it. The Litter-Robot EVO is also smaller than the 4, which makes it better suitable if you live in, say, a smaller space, like an apartment, or if the room you want to keep the litter box in is just a bit smaller. For reference, this one is around 27 by 20 by 24 inches in size. It's perfect if you have up to 2 cats, and you only have to empty it every 7 days or so for 1 cat. It is fully self-cleaning with built-in odor control, which makes it better both for you and your cat, and the area around the litter box, as it won't smell. It might take a bit for your cat to get used to it at first, since the dome shape might be a little intimidating, but it's actually very spacious for them, and we found that our cat got used to it pretty quickly and have never had an issue since. As usual, just let the cat get accustomed to it, and it should be all good. The EVO is also smart and can connect to a smartphone app in order to track your cat's weight, daily visits, and other bathroom habits. It even knows to differentiate between different cats if you have more than one. It's a nice way to make sure your cat is healthy and keep track of their weight so they don't become over or underweight without you noticing. The LED display on the EVO is also improved, with a full-color LCD display that shows you real-time updates, as well as help you connect it to the app that I just mentioned. It's also important to note that Whisker products are very safe for your cats, which we know could be a concern of many cat owners when investing in automatic products. So what do you think? If you have cats, would you want an automatic litter box so you'd never have to scoop that litter again? Let us know in the comments. If you're curious to learn more, make sure to check out the description below for a link to pre-order the Litter-Robot EVO. It will be available for pre-order starting October 21st. Thanks again to Whisker for sponsoring this video, providing us with the Litter-Robot EVO for review, and continuing to help make our day-to-day lives a lot easier thanks to their products. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews in the future. We appreciate all your support and hope you enjoy these types of videos that we've been posting lately. If there's anything specific you want us to review or try out, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, bye.